if something is working good, you continue using this. You got a lot of SL. It's your mistake, not mistake of the strategic.
Hi Carlos, how are you?
Hi, Mr. Simon. I am good, and you?
Yes, thanks, very well. Thanks for taking the time to do the interview. Maybe you could just introduce yourself to the community, tell us a bit about yourself, where you're living, what you're currently up to.
Right. Hi, my name is Carlos. I'm from Ecuador, and I'm living in Guayaquil, exactly, and this.
Okay. So are you a full-time trader?
The parcel trader. I have another activity on the day.
Okay, so you're a part-time trader and you do some work in the day. So, okay, so how do you fit that in with your job? Is it something that you do in the evenings?
My job is around the afternoon. I'm a civil engineer, and I have jobs with the industry, and I have to go to the place and back, and day by day.
Right. Okay, so do you trade the New York session?
I trade New York session and sometimes London sessions.
Okay, all right. So, what are you trading? Any particular asset?
Trading assets.
Are you trading FX, indices, commodities?
Index. A lot of index, and two pairs a lot: US Dow Jones and Nasdaq.
Okay, the two volatile indices. Okay, so are you able to share a strategy with us? How you trade these indices?
Yeah. I would like to show my strategic.
Sure. Okay. Can you share your screen?
First, I go to the 4 hours and I see the what the market has. Maybe in this week, in the past week, we had 20. Yeah, and I go to the 1 hour and I see this. I no use any indicator analysis or price action. More.
All right, no indicators, just pure price action. Okay.
Yeah, and I go to the 30 minutes and I see the price is a range like this. And the price want to break is for up or down. Yeah.
Okay. So how do you decide which way it's going to go?
Yeah, and I go to the 5 minutes and I wait for the New York session. Okay, in this, and I sit in the UTC
-5. Yeah, that's the New York time zone. Yeah.
Yeah, and I touch the 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. like this. So 8 and 9.
Okay, so you mark the 2 hourly starts. Okay, on the 5 minutes, and what are you looking?
And I touch the maximum and the minimum on this range. So in this case, I can put because this is my range, and I had the this, and this is my range, and all the range have the 50%, and my 50% is right like this. So I wait the price break me and up or down, depend of the New York session, and I go to the 1 minute. So no, this is today. Okay, this is a Friday, and the Friday the price, the first trade got me put and touch my stop loss, but the second trade take profit. And I am a scalper trader, so the one sell is not care me, and the second trade went take my 1-3, and I do this day by day, and it's more mechanic, and you have there a lot of analytic like this. Now I know the strategic, no? So it's more simple for me. Take the I have the one range, lot of mass, and this is my 50%, and my entry it was at this point. But I have one break structure first, and the price go back to the GP, and this is the day by day, and you can take this strategic and pass your challenge, and take a month. You can take 50% or 5%, depend of the risk. And for example, I risk per trade 0.3% or 0.35%, and it was 0.36% risk to reward 1%.
Yeah, okay, so like 1 to 3 risk reward, sure.
Yeah, it was 1-3, and the last weekend, if you apply this strategy, you can reward 3%. Only risk 0.35%. Imagine if you like 0.5%, you can take a 5%. If you have a second challenge, you can pass the second challenge.
Sure, yeah.
You not desperate to pass the challenge, plus little by little you can reach the profit.
Okay, talk me through what the I understand the range that is you've identified a range from 8 o'clock till 9 o'clock Eastern. You've identified the high, you've identified the low, and then you've identified the 50% of that range. What is the trigger that gets you into a trade?
The trigger?
Yeah, what is the entry model? What is the reason for going long or short?
I a scalper trader, and I don't look a lot of rewards. For me, 1-3, it's okay. Strategic, maybe you can give you a 1-6, but for 1-3 for me it's okay.
Oh yeah, 1 to 3 is fine. No, that wasn't what I was asking. I was trying to work out in this particular example you're showing us here. Why did you go long there? Because price broke out of the high?
Yeah, the price broke the high, and if I go to the past, maybe the price not look for sale, because I broke in this time, broke the price this time, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So the price want to be to the sky, but in this moment I have the close and go to the sky.
Okay, I see. So you're looking at previous price action and then looking at the price action at the New York Open. Okay.
Yeah, if you lose the entry because you work or you work late, you can take the maximums and minimums, and you can take the entry. You put maybe the entry at this point. It was my 50%. You can put the stop loss right now, and you can put the TP. It was a 1-3 again. 1-3, 1-3. Maybe at this point you can entry right now, and you can take 1-3, 1-3, 1-3, 1-3. What's around 1-9 in one day.
Sure. Okay.
Sure, but this is not my trading style. I 1-3 SL or TP by done.
Yeah. One trade a day. It's either a win or it's either a loss. Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Have you back tested this strategy?
Yeah, I was back testing this strategy around 4-5 months, and the percent of win rate, it was 70% and 73. 70 and 73 around.
Oh wow.
More or less.
Good. Very good. Okay. Very good. Can we see your FundedNext dashboard? Just to have a look at the statistics.
Yeah, my FundedNext, I have 2 accounts around. This is account I started at the Friday or Thursday, and this is account it was for me. I'm not disciplined, and I have to put a lot of trades. So this is bad for me, and not have a good discipline. But I apply this strategic, and I go about, and I up the count a little. Yes.
Okay.
So yes, this is my yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
How many trades? 4 trades, 4 trading days. Can we see the statistics? If you go to trading overview.
Oh, the trading overview.
And then see your risk reward 1 to 5, win rate 25, loss rate 75. Okay, but you've only done 4 trades, so it's not really. Yeah.
See, there's a lot of trades.
Oh, 16 trades. Sorry, 16 trades. Do you find?
This is a lot of trades because it was my mistake, but why? I would like to entry like this, for example, and I not put the maximums and minimums. It was my mistake. Yeah, so if I put the maximums and minimums at my 50%, my entry was at this point. But entonces I not put the entries. No confirmation. I trade blind.
No, I understand. Yeah, you don't use any higher time frame analysis. You're just purely scalping. Do you find US30 or Nasdaq 100 better?
I more trade Dow Jones and Nasdaq. I also trade, but in the Nasdaq I apply more analytic trade. If you see, I don't have graphic because I don't trade a lot of this. But if I trade this trade, I can put you see the price respect me right now, so you can put a sale.
Okay. So you trade a different strategy on Nasdaq than you do on the US30.
Yeah, it's two
strategies.
Two strategies. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thanks for sharing your strategy and your FundedNext dashboard. It's useful. Thank you. How long have you been trading Dow Jones with this strategy?
Yeah. How long? I put this strategy 2 or 3 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the reason is for I trade with smart money method. Yeah.
Smart money, did you?
Yeah, and the smart money I can go risk reward 1 cent, for example, but the price maybe I trade like this. My entry was this, my stop loss was 5, and my TP is 50. The price touch my stop loss, and then is go to my TP. So if I put the 10 SL and 30 the TP, I not have the stop loss and I have TP. So that's the reason because I'm more mechanic in this strategic and not analytic with the smart money.
Oh yeah, sure, I understand. Okay. How did you backtest this strategy on TradingView, or did you use a different package?
Backtesting on TradingView.
Okay. You found that okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. All right. How do you find trading US30 and Nasdaq on FundedNext? Do you find the spreads and the slippage good?
Yeah, in New York session, the spreads are good. That's incredible. I said it was around one pip, or 10. And the London session, it was around 13.
Yeah, a bit wider, isn't it?
It was good. Yeah, but for me, because I'm a New York trader, it was perfect.
Yeah, it's good. Very tight slippage.
I put the trade and the order take me here. Yeah, it's not more different, no.
Yeah, no, it's excellent trading conditions.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you happy with everything else with regards to FundedNext? Do you have any suggestions for them?
Can you repeat?
Oh, sorry. Sure. Are you happy with everything else? Do you have any suggestions for FundedNext?
Suggestions with FundedNext.
So improvements they could make?
No. The FundedNext, if you make it better, right now in this moment, FundedNext is good, it's nice, it's amazing. But if you make better, it's fine. But for me, FundedNext is wow. The payment, the support can help me with my issues. For my part, no have problem with FundedNext.
Good to hear. Okay. Any help you could give traders out there who are struggling to get funded? Any suggestions you could give them?
To other traders?
Yeah, who are finding it difficult to get funded. Any tips?
Yes. The best example, and I say if something is working good, you continue using this. But sometimes we had splits, but if don't meet the strategic not have profitable. The strategic is this, but if you can modify and them you got a lot of SL, it's your mistake, not mistake of the strategic.
Mm-hmm.
There's some people don't understand.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, sure.
And sometimes the trader can revenge the market, and this is a bad idea.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. How do you manage your psychology when you take losses? Do you do anything in particular? Do you have a routine?
My psychology, affect my trading plan a lot. This is affecting incredible my strategic, but because my strategic is good, it's profit bail, but in my psychology it was not. So this is I work day by day in this, because I have the strategic, I have the structure, I have the analytic, but the psychology not. So I keep working on this.
Okay. What do you do? Do you have any particular things you do? Do you use mindfulness or a Headspace app or something like that?
Being disciplined and constant.
Okay. Discipline, confident. Yeah. Two good things a trader should have. Yeah. Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt your strategy. If you've back tested it, allow it to work out. Okay. Having a mechanical risk reward certainly helps. 3-1. You either take a loss or you take a win. It's simple, isn't it? There's no managing the trade. Do you take partials at all, or do you simply just leave it to run?
I simply the strategy, because the market always touch me one maximum and minimum. So I break the price broke. Sorry, it was down or fall, and I entry.
Okay. All right, Carlos. I think we'll leave it there. Thanks for your time. Good luck with the funded accounts, and speak to you again.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for the interview.
No worries. See you, Carlos. Bye.
Bye.